What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new tutorial on how you can get started with affiliate marketing in 2024 with no audience, no social media following, and completely for free. If you're the type of person that has no social media following built up yet, then this is the video for you, and I recommend that you watch this video until the end. I'm going to show you each and every single step that you need to take on my screen over here in order to start your own successful online affiliate marketing business with no traffic and no social media following in 2024. Let's get started. Whether you're a complete beginner or fully experienced in affiliate marketing, this video is going to be very helpful for you. So I recommend watch until the end, and let's get started with point number one. Now that we're inside of my PC, the first thing that I want you to understand is the difference between affiliate marketing with traffic and with an audience versus affiliate marketing without an audience. A simplified version on how affiliate marketing works. There is a company that has created usually a digital product, then there is you that partners with this company to create content promoting the specific product. The company will give you a referral link to the product. Someone uses your referral link to make a purchase on their product, and you will get paid a commission on their purchase. Traditionally, the majority of tutorials on YouTube and social media that teach you how to do affiliate marketing already involves having for you to require an audience, an existing audience, an existing social media following. Now, that is exactly why I wanted to create today's video, is because most people don't have that. Most people don't have access to that social media following. So how exactly do you go and get started with affiliate marketing if you do not have that social media following? Therefore, for literally 99% of people that want to get into affiliate marketing but don't have that social media following or that audience, this is exactly how you can get started. I'm going to use one of the most popular niches with affiliate marketing so that I can show you exactly how they're doing it step by step with an existing audience and kind of show you how this works so that you can get started with building your own audience if you want to take that route. In the second part of this video, I'll teach you how you can do this with no audience at all. But for the tutorial of to show you how famous and well-known people are doing this, if I come over to the Instagram Explore page, you'll see that most people listed on this page already have an existing audience or an existing following. So for example, this person over here who's promoting video editing services, if I come over to his page, you will see he's built up his page to 16,400 followers, and he's getting on his reels a decent amount of views, anywhere between 4 and 8,000, one or two blowing up to 50,000 plus. So this is a typical example of somebody who is promoting an affiliate marketing video editing course through their video editing page on Instagram with an existing following. Similarly to this health and fitness post, if I click on this creator's profile, you will see that they already have a large existing audience on their page. This person has 486,000 followers. And also, if I come over to their Linktree page over here, you will find that they're promoting plenty different products, supplements, a Gymshark shop, a health and fitness program, a workout program quiz, this person's app, they've got a YouTube channel, they've got a podcast, and all of these options, they're making different streams of income from through affiliate marketing, ad revenue, majority of affiliate marketing products. But also they've got a YouTube channel where they talk about, if I come over to the description of these videos, click on read more over here. We just click pause on this video, I can see that they're promoting their Gymshark affiliate link, their code to save 10% at the checkout. Now, every time someone uses that code, and every time someone checks out with this pre-workout using Brittany's code, she will get a commission every time someone purchases this pre-workout. And multiple products over here. She's promoting shoes, a Nike shoes, new headphones, and all of these products she is an affiliate for. Okay, this specific product's not available on Nike. These shoes, every time someone purchases these shoes, she gets a sale and she gets a commission per sale. Every time someone clicks on these headphone sets and purchases it, adds to cart and pays for it, she will get a commission per sale. And that's exactly how affiliate marketing works with an existing audience, especially when you're getting millions of views on YouTube. I can tell you this person is making a lot of money, but it didn't come from nowhere. This person took a lot of time and effort and months and years into building and formulating the perfect content to get views to build up their business. Now that leads back to my question. If you're starting affiliate marketing and you don't already have an audience, how exactly do you get started with this? And that's where the search strategy comes into play on how you can get started very effectively without having an audience when you're starting affiliate marketing. Now, already on the home screen over here, I want to give you a very interesting fact. Did you know that there is 100,000 searches on Google taking place right now every single second. So many people don't realize this. They don't realize how to take advantage of it and how powerful Google is in terms for your business. And your business can be anything. It can be an online shop. It can be a dry cleaning business. It can be a dentistry business. It can be an affiliate marketing business. Google has a huge opportunity to open up many doors for your business to become successful. To put this into context, this is 10 times more organic traffic than what Instagram and Facebook is getting combined. And the reason why this is so helpful with affiliate marketing, because unlike Facebook and Instagram, you don't need any following to get this organic traffic. And again, something that people also don't realize is that YouTube and Google is both owned by the same company. When you post a YouTube video that gets a good ranking term, it also ranks on Google. In today's video, I'm going to give you a free ranking tool that will rank your YouTube videos and content videos on the top pages of Google and YouTube. I've created a program that I can share this publicly with you guys, so you need to keep this to yourself. This is a really epic tool. If you want to get this tool, make sure to keep watching. I'll teach you how you can get it at the end of this video. To show you how all of this comes together, again, I'm going to be using the health and fitness industry, is people will come over to Google and they will go and search best supplement products to lose weight. And if I click on search, you'll see already at the top of the page, there is probably about 100 different products offered on Google on the top page by various different online stores around the world. However, we're going to disregard these because these are sponsored products. People are paying money for these types of products. And over here, what we're really looking for is what's listed on the top pages of Google over here, from clicks, everyday health, WebMD, US online stores, the best supplements and shakes for weight loss supplements for women. And all of these pages is making a sufficient and a lot of money every single day through their affiliate links, the products that they offer, by simply ranking on the top pages of Google, where they don't need a following, they don't need to make content, they don't need any social media platform. It's all without a following, completely for free by ranking on Google. Now I'm going to click on Everyday Health, the best weight loss supplements and vitamins for women. When I open up this website, you will see it will give me an entire article explaining the best vitamins and supplements for women trying to lose weight as vetted by experts. And you'll see immediately in the first description of this article, they give me the best weight loss supplements and vitamins for women. And each of these links have clickable links, and I can promise you every single one of these links are affiliate products. If I open this up in a new tab, it's going to take me through most likely to the Amazon affiliate page, where every time I purchase this product, this website or the creator of this website gets a commission per sale. However, this is the most effective and best way to rank on Google and YouTube with your specific articles promoting your affiliate link completely for free. Now, I've been running an affiliate marketing business well over 4 years now. I even host 1 or 2 of these article websites myself, not specifically in the health and fitness niche, but different niches. And I will tell you, in the last 2 years, the competition has absolutely skyrocketed purely because of artificial intelligence, with people so easily being able to create these types of articles with already plugged in affiliate links by the click of a button using AI. Now, I'm going to show you a little bit of insight into this. If you want to use AI, you 100% are allowed to and can do so. The most common free AI tool that we know of is ChatGPT. On ChatGPT's prompt page at chat.openai.com, you can go and type the following: write me a blog post on the best supplements to lose weight. You can click on send to ChatGPT and it will write you out this entire blog post within seconds. And this is exactly what I'm talking about, why the competition in the last 2 years has absolutely skyrocketed because of tools like this. What would take a human hours or even days to write an article like this, AI now does in seconds. All you have to do is plug in and sub in affiliate links throughout this article by finding an affiliate product, highlighting the text, and just pasting your link in between these different paragraphs. Very similarly to this website over here. They have their body of their article, but within between their article, they have different affiliate products plugged in. For example, over here, before the article even starts, they have a 6 bullet point step on the 6 different best weight loss products and supplements that they recommend for women with their affiliate link. and then they go and get started with their article. And even throughout their article, they review each and every product, the pros, the cons, the highlights, why choose it, and a buy button, which also leads through their affiliate link to buy this product where they earn a commission. One specific problem that you may come across in the search strategy is that the competition is absolutely flooded because of artificially intelligent tools like ChatGPT. There's hundreds of people generating articles about the same product, and therefore it is impossible for everybody to get listed on the top page of Google. So therefore, I'm going to teach you now in the next step of this video the exact process that I use to generate affiliate marketing sales without having a social media presence and without having any audience and without writing any articles. The other search strategy way that I'm about to show you is far more effective, and I'm going to give you a tool that's going to rank your articles and videos on the top page, as well as this is my favorite way of promoting affiliate links and one of my most successful ways in generating affiliate commissions. I've been doing this for well over 4 years now, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in the next 2 minutes. As I was mentioning before, both Google and YouTube are the same company, right? So therefore, what ranks on YouTube will rank on Google. What ranks on Google will rank on YouTube. So if you go and search the top supplements to lose weight in health and fitness industry, click on the videos tab, you will see that YouTube videos also rank at the top page. So therefore, not only your YouTube videos can rank on YouTube, but they can also rank on the Google search engine. And this is exactly where this tool comes into play, called Video Marketing Blaster Pro, that will automatically generate for you, done for you titles, done for you captions, a done for you description, optimized for your video to rank that specific video on the top pages of Google and YouTube for a specific keyword. This tool takes about 5 minutes to do thorough keyword research. So for example, let me show you how this tool works. If I click on the keywords option over here, it'll pop up with a video tutorial. I'm just going to close that because I'm going to show you how to do it instead. On the main keyword section, you want to go and type your keyword. Top 5 supplement products for weight loss. Now, obviously, you don't want to copy and paste what I'm using. Whatever product or whatever niche that you're using, if you're using the fishing niche, top 5 fishing rods for beginners. If you're using the soccer niche, top 5 soccer shoes for a high school team player. Top 5 golf club brands for new golfers. You just need to put the question into your own idea based on your specific niche. So since I'm using products for weight loss, I'm going to check find competitors, get search results, generate video details, and also research from search suggestions. So let me quickly just open this up a little bit more here. I'm going to click on keyword research button, and you'll see over here, it's going to gain competitors and do all sorts of research on the specific keyword to help me rank on the top pages of Google and YouTube for this specific keyword. Once this tool is complete, it's going to give you a whole database of keywords, ranking them on the best ones that you should use all the way to the worst ones that you should use. How it determines that is the competition versus the traffic. So the supply versus the demand for the specific keyword. And the sweet spot is finding a keyword that has little competition, but that has a lot of demand and a lot of search for that specific keyword. So over here, you will see supplements for weight loss. There's currently over more than 1 million search results or YT competing videos. But this specific term over here, from YouTube suggestions, that's ranked number 4th, only has 117 competing videos. Top 5 supplements for weight loss. So this is a good example of a term that we want to go and use to rank on the top pages, because it's very difficult to rank on the top page when there's more than 1 million people using a specific term. But this term over here, that's getting a lot of traffic, but only has 117 competing videos, that could be quite easy to rank. Go and click on this keyword, make sure it's checkmarked. Click on video details. Another training video will pop up over here. I'm just going to go and close that. And what we can go and do is click on the top 5 supplements for products for weight loss. And over here, you will see it's going to give you a title, description, and the tags that you need to use for your video to rank on the top page for this specific keyword. Now, all you need to go and do is go and copy your affiliate links of your products. So for example, if you're using Amazon or these specific products that you're promoting, you need to come over to your Video Marketing Blaster tool. You need to plug in your affiliate products in the description of your newly produced description for your video. If I come over to YouTube and go and search the top 5 supplement products for weight loss, you will see over here, this person, if I click on his channel and I go and have a look at the description, you'll see over here, he's got a pre-workout affiliate link, an Oxy Shred bundle, also an affiliate link, a full-on coaching call, also an affiliate link, or to his service. And again, every time someone purchases this product, they're making a commission off of that. And if you can rank on the top pages of YouTube and Google, you can start to get to the point where you're getting thousands and hundreds of thousands of views per video. And that is where Video Marketing Blaster is going to help you a lot with ranking your videos. This specific video is now over a year old, and I want you to remember this. YouTube and Google does not care how old your piece of content is or how old your article is. It will keep that video ranked for the next 5 years, as long as your video is a good quality and is remaining ranked through the right search terms and the right keywords used in your titles. Google and YouTube has made this known publicly. They right now are craving non-AI content. So this is actually the perfect time to get involved in creating your own content. Similarly to what I'm doing here, it's not that difficult. Try a couple of practice videos. Go and follow your favorite influencers in your niche and get topic and video ideas directly from them. And you can replicate them into your own words and piggyback that existing virality. Use Video Marketing Blaster to start ranking your videos. So that is why Google and YouTube at the moment is really craving user-generated content and not AI-generated content. Hopefully this video gave you some good insights on how you can get started with affiliate marketing without having an audience in 2024 and for the next couple of years to come. If you guys want to go and get Video Marketing Blaster completely for free from me, all you need to do is come over to my Instagram, comment down below the word VMB on my latest post, which stands for Video Marketing Blaster, but you just need to comment VMB and I will send it directly to your DMs. If you guys want more specific tutorials from me on how I do affiliate marketing on YouTube, short video content, how to build a full-time business out of TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, I'm going to leave my full free playlist on YouTube to how to make money on TikTok in 2024. If you guys also want to learn what I do full-time off of YouTube called prop firm trading, where I trade hundreds of thousands and $1 million size trading accounts with companies and I keep 80 to 90% of those profits, I will leave a link to my second YouTube channel and this video over here that will teach you how you can become a profitable and consistent trader trading for prop firms. There's so many different ways that you can learn how to make money on my YouTube channels. I recommend start off with these two playlists over here, choose one of them, and I'll see you on the inside.